So from the distance from the pond to the campsite, you have 5 boxes, and who said that it was 4 inches is really important? I'm sorry, I couldn't catch who said that. Was that Dara? Naira? Or Jaden? Jaden? Okay, good. Well, that's important, that we have every 4, like right there, equals 1 mile. Every 4 inches is 1 mile. So you want to really, 4 is really important in this problem. You want to think in groups of 4. Alright, does that make sense? Okay, so we found out how far I'm going to erase. Ooh, that's too much. I'll put that back. We want to find out how far each path is now. Okay, so what's the first question it asks? Let's go over. Chris claims path A is 2 miles longer. Alright, so to do that, we just need to go and calculate path A and path B and think about what's the error that Chris could have made. So I'm going to do this in colors. I'm going to do groups of 4, because I think it was Jaden, yeah, who said that every 4 is a mile. So 1, 2, 3, there's 4. Let's do 4 in a different color. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll just alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so how many miles is that apart? Path A. Yeah. So I'm getting 4 miles because there's 4 groups. I'll just highlight it. 4 groups of 4. 1 group. 2 groups. That's going to get really messy, but I'll do this. This equals 1 mile right here. From here to there. Okay? Does that make sense? Okay, now we have to do path B. Why don't you guys try and do path B on your own, and I'll set up how I'm going to do it. Yeah, it is. 1, 2, I'll count. 3, 4, and then we're left with, I'll do this in an entirely different color because it's not a group of 4. 1, 2. Oh, I wasn't even I had myself muted. So I was talking. That does look right. Yep. We have 3 groups. There's 1 group. Here's another group. And here's the last group. So we have 3 groups. That equals 1 mile. And then 2 left over. So how many miles would path B be? 3 2/4, we could even reduce that. Yeah, but they lock theirs. They put a waiting room, so I can't even really come in and like surprise them. Maybe if I use it, I could. Okay. I will. Yeah, that's. I don't want to change all my account stuff. That's why. All right. So path is 3 2/4 miles or 3.5 miles. Does anyone know how to? I think actually you have to put these as decimals. So what is 3 1/2? Yeah, I think so. Let me check. Wait, no, in miles. You're putting it in inches. You don't want to do that. Let me see. Why am I not able to edit this? Oh, here we go. Let me see what I put for answers. You have to turn them into decimals. Let me see. I should probably have written that in there. It looks like I did allow fractions, but it doesn't look great. So let's just it looks okay. When you do it on the computer, it looks confusing. I don't know, to me, when you're writing fractions. But I just did 3, like. Okay, that's what I put. Okay. Then if that makes sense, that's fine. I feel like that can look confusing. But, like, if you have one. I've been recording this whole time.